What's up guys, it's Joshua here, and today I'll be unboxing yet another robot vacuum, which is this one, the realme TechLife Robot Vacuum, which is realme's first robot vacuum. So let's head to it. So design wise, it's your typical robot vacuum design. On the bottom, you have two side brushes, one dense rolling brush in the center, a 360-degree front wheel, two charging contacts beside it, two main wheels with suspension so it can go up and down easily through some sloppy areas or up to your carpets. You also got the interchangeable dust tank on the bottom here, which can collect 600 ml of dust, and a 2-in-1 300 ml dust and 350 ml water tank for your mopping. The dustbin compartment here has this 3 layers of filters here, which is pretty fine for this inner part here, so all the fine dust will be stuck here. So when you open it up, you can just pour it all out. The filters behind here can be taken out and cleaned from time to time. And this here will be the 2-in-1 water and dust tank with a velcro mopping cloth mount on it for your mopping feature. So you can see it has a pump in the water tank as well. So you don't need to wet your cloth before mopping it because it will pump the water out accordingly. On the top, you have the LiDAR navigation sensors, on, off and home button, and the rubberized bumper for taking the impact. And within these bumpers, it has 38 high precision sensors. So with all the sensors and combining with this LiDAR navigation mapping sensor here, it can really precisely map out your whole place and also reduce the heavy impact on the obstacles around your floors. So this is the power plug here for your robot's charging station. So one thing I noticed that the design is very smart here is that you can see there's this pocket here for you to store your excess wire after you poke in the power socket, and you have a cover to close it up so that when you place it on your floors, it will be very tidy and neat. So to start setting up and also to control the robot vacuum here, you just need to go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download the realme Link app here and connect it to your robot link and follow all the step-by-step setups. So you can see here you got different options here to choose from: recharge, start, suction power, and others such as schedule cleaning, do not disturb mode, and so on. On the map, you can see this is the whole living room that it has mapped here, and you can add restricted zones, you can add a no-go zone and a no-mop zone or virtual wall to prevent your robot to go into that area. Now for performance, it has a 3000 PA suction power here with 4 levels of suction strength: quiet, normal, turbo and max. With the quiet mode here, it really performs in a very low noise level at 55 dB. But of course, when it turns to turbo or max, the noise level will increase drastically. So this is how it sounded. So usually I will turn on auto mode for cleaning. So the turbo and max will only happen during the cleaning of carpets. And cleaning from this one is quite good, quite precise. Mapping the room also quite fast. Now you can also set spot or area clean to have the robot specifically clean one focus spot. And with this, it will go zigzag around the area and clean it. We've placed some biscuit crushers and it did pretty well. So on the mopping feature, it did a pretty good job for light mopping, but when it comes to heavy stains or heavy colored stains like the soy sauce, it doesn't really perform well here. Lastly, for the battery life, it has a 5200 mAh battery which can last up to 300 minutes. Through our tests, it can clean out our entire floor with a full charge and still have 60% battery left in 30 minutes time. So overall, to me, this realme TechLife Robot Vacuum here is a pretty good robot vacuum. It can map out precisely and quite fast with the LiDAR sensor here, and also it cleans pretty well. The only weak spot that I found is that it still can't sense on the wires on your floors or on your living area. So remember to clear out all the wires before using it because it will get stuck under the brushes. And the price for this realme TechLife Robot Vacuum is 1999 ringgit. So do let me know what you think about this robot vacuum here in the comments below, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to not miss any of our videos. I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.